8. Who's next? EG stepping up. Let's see. Oh, no, not oh dear. Oh, yes. Yes, EG go fight. One more. Let's eat. I remember some of y'all were dying on this sand. Oh, she ate it. Yes, go fight, EG. Next.
I was gonna go. Oh wait, that means I'm last.
Come on, Shawnee. Yes, I love it.
Stop giving me a nervous laugh, Emma. You know you got it.
You got this.
Come on, Shawnee.
Come on, Shawnee.
Yes! Now stay in. Trust yourself. Got it? That's money. Let's go.
It's so good. Come on.
She can do it anywhere.
I can land it.
Oh,
Kennedy.
yeah. Talk your talk, my friend. Talk your talk. One more. Let's go.
You got this. Come on, Shawnee. You got this.
I feel you, Abby. I feel you.
That's a level of uncomfortable.
Come on, Sean.
You a Davis. Don't forget that. Let's eat.
Yeah.
Come on, Shawnee. You got it. Let's go.
Come on, Sean. You got
Yes.
this. You're amazing. Come on.
That's it.
Oh, okay. Go fight. Madison.
Can I like smooth out the sand real quick?
Try out the sand. Oh, even it out a little bit.
You gotta just kind of move
No,
it.
I said try it out. No.
No, don't try. Just do it. Just get it done.
Come on, Alvin. I'm gonna do it.
It's right there. There's no line. Oh, okay. Where's it? Right there. Wow. Oh!
What is it?
I got it. It's a butterfly.
Wow, don't kill it.
So technically I landed it.
She is a G.
Technically I landed it.
Yeah, you landed it. You just came out early.
It could have had a
It's not funny.
family.
Don't do that.
I like the kill bone. It's still alive.
Still alive.
Hey, let's go, Madison. One more. Let's see.
I forgot my hair wasn't up.
Yo, you enjoying the breeze of the summer?
And life on Earth.
That's, yeah, I can.
I like to
Yes.
I'm going, Alvin.
Madison, why do you not have a hair?
No, I'm not next.
I'm not next.
Emma, step up.
Can I go after Emma?
Let's go, Emma.
Can I go after Emma?
Hold on, girl. Let Emma focus. Yeah. Now, I really like this as a challenge for all of you because it's like if you can get comfortable throwing it on the sand, there's no floor in the whole wide world that you'll compete on that you don't feel comfortable. Let's get it. Except for concrete. Except for concrete. Okay, I feel you. If y'all go to a competition with concrete, invite me. I want to see it.
I've done it on concrete because it was Marley floor.
Oh, fire. Yeah! One more. Let's go. Let's go, Emma. Hey, love you.